Welcome to ESF Chemistry. This is the chemistry building, the Yarn Lab for research and teaching. My name is Mark Teese. I'm one of the chemistry professors here, and I'm also the undergraduate curriculum coordinator. So I want to welcome you to ESF Chemistry, and I thought I'd give you a quick tour of the chemistry building and what our facilities are like and what you would expect to see as an undergraduate or a graduate student at ESF. The first floor of Yarn Lab are predominantly teaching labs, and above those teaching labs are research labs. And so during this time of COVID, everyone's required to wear a mask. And in the general chemistry lab, which is the lab for first year students, here they are undergoing some series of different experiments. And as you can see, there's a lots of space between people working. They have access to fume hoods and are all taking the required safety procedures. Students get to use state-of-the-art equipment and different types of computer monitoring systems for chemistry labs. And then once you move up in years, in the second year, this is the organic chemistry teaching lab, which has a whole series of fume hoods where each individual student gets to work in their own fume hood and is able to take part in a series of different experiments. All the fume hoods are see-through, so you can see your lab partner on the other side, and you're able to work together in order to perform different experiments. And of course, during COVID, each student has their own fume hood and is able to work safely and within the required distance of another student. We encourage lots of students to do research with graduate students in the research labs. And so here's Lei, one of our graduate students, working on a gas chromatograph in a ESF chemistry in the sunlight lab. And the series of different experiments that happen in these labs can be taken part in many different years. So we encourage students working here from undergraduate all the way through their senior year to working with graduate students on different projects. And here's Bella, one of our undergraduates, working on a project in the labs. And we undergo many different types of experiments. We have some state-of-the-art instrumentation, such as mass spectrometers in a large facility in the basement of Yarn Lab where students can analyze their samples. And we also have some NMR equipment, as well as instrumentation on the roof for environmental sampling. And we'd like to welcome you to the ESF Chemistry Department, and we look forward to you coming to ESF to study chemistry and enjoy everything that ESF and the Chemistry Department has to offer.